Silicon carbide ceramics, one of the products of silicon carbide, has the characteristics of high hardness, high corrosion resistance, and high temperature strength, which makes silicon carbide ceramics have been widely used. Silicon carbide ball press, as a kind of heavy equipment, safe operation should be kept in mind. The correct use method can not only ensure the personal safety of the staff, but also improve the service life of silicon carbide ball press. How to carry on the repair and maintenance of silicon carbide ball press. Generally speaking, in order to ensure the normal production of silicon carbide ball press and improve the service life of the equipment, should be equipped with special personnel for the operation, maintenance and repair of the equipment. Regularly check the following work. 1. The connection parts are firm. 2. Reduce a gear tooth surface contact. 3. Check the temperature rise on time. Replace the new oil and so on.